Okay, as you can see, this ring is a tight fit. In fact, it's squishing my finger. Now, I'm not getting swelling or, problems with blood flow, but this ring is not coming off, and I want it off. So there's tools you can get for cutting these things off, and I think these are the ones they use in hospitals. Now, you could just order one of these from Amazon, but I have a Dremel, so that's the way I'm gonna do it. So for this project, you're gonna need some kind of a little stick, or maybe, the handle of a plastic fork, something disposable. I got a paper towel here, because that's gonna soak up some water dripping off of an ice cube. So, ice cube goes in my hand. I'm just holding it against the ring to try and manage heat, because this is gonna heat up fast. So I'm gonna have to do little short bursts. Let's wedge the stick under there. And I've marked where I'm gonna cut it. Let's try to get my ice cube positioned here. All right, here we go. There you go. Whenever using a Dremel, you have to be careful that the wheel doesn't break, because they love to go flying apart, and I didn't want either my face or my camera damaged by flying debris. So now step 2 is having to pry this thing apart, and I'm going to do that with screwdrivers. This is actually easier than I thought. I can just push this screwdriver further and further up the ring, and as it gets wider, it's already stretching it out some. Another trick you might have seen, which doesn't work if you've already cut the ring, is wrapping, this is dental floss, you can use thread, I've seen it done with surgical rubber, and you wrap the tissue down flat, which basically makes it easier to get the ring off. I think because the ring is cut and will stretch, that is going to aid in getting this thing to come off. Oh, that was working. Just have to keep the screwdriver from popping out. Fingers turning blue. Let's see if I can't pry this a little more. There's another idea. Saran wrap. Maybe just adding some soap water would help get this thing started. This is definitely stopping my skin from getting caught in it. Yep, this is working. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Uh-oh. Come on, buddy. Ah, breathe, breathe. Look at that. It's a 15-year dent.